My name is Blake Hamilton. I'm a graduate student here at the FSU Coastal Marine Lab. I'm a part of the Grubbs Lab, so our advisor, Dr. Dean Grubbs, leads our lab in which we look at essentially biology and ecology of coastal fishes, and a lot of our work focuses on elasmographs, those are sharks and rays. So my personal research focused a lot on these coastal sharks and rays in the Apalachicola Bay and the Apalachicola Bay system, which we're in right now. We're in eastern St. George Sound right off of Turkey Point Shoal, and what we're doing today is fishing a monthly GulfSPAN survey. So GulfSPAN stands for the Gulf of Mexico Shark Pupping and Nursery Survey. So what we're doing is we're fishing two different gear types to try and capture, collect data from, and samples from various coastal shark species. And this gives us the opportunity to collect really important data that contributes to fisheries management for these different species that are managed. And it also gives us an opportunity to put tags on these sharks that we can release them, and then if any recreational or commercial fishermen recapture them, we can get an idea of where these fish are going, things like growth rates. So today so far we fished one longline and gillnet. We caught a couple great hammerheads and a tiger sharks and blacktip sharks, so we've been able to get out quite a few tags, which is great, and collect some really valuable samples from those animals. So yeah. Tag number SD00220.
SD00220.
So our ultimate goal here is to collect information that can help us better manage these different species, and the reason why this is important is because we rely on a lot of these different species, even coastal sharks, as fisheries, as a protein source. So our ability to come out here and study these animals and ensure that their populations are doing well allows us to continue to harvest these particular populations, and that's really important from a food security perspective, but also from a perspective of understanding how these ecosystems might be changing in a changing climate and what we might be able to do to mitigate the impacts of those changes on all sorts of coastal fish populations.